Dapat na nga bang mag-retire si LeBron James? Yan ang pag-uusapan natin sa video ngayon.
This is RBcast Sports. Like, share, and subscribe.
So, ayan kakatapos lang ng laban ng France at saka Team USA. And yun nga, nakuha ng Team USA ang gold medal sa men's basketball Olympics tournament. And let's credit to the France also na nagbigay ng magandang game sa Team USA. So, grabe yung performance ni LeBron. Since si LeBron natin pag-uusapan natin sa video ngayon, my reaction sa performance ni LeBron is talagang tremendous. Talagang consistent yung performance ni LeBron sa campaign nila nito para makuha yung gold medal. Imagine, LeBron James is declared or kumbaga sinasabi ng FIBA mismo na si LeBron James ang MVP because his average is 14.2 points, no, and 6.8 rebounds and 8.5 assists per game. So talagang consistent yung numbers ni LeBron James. And then sa game naman kontra sa France is nag-ambag siya ng 14 points, 6 rebounds, 10 assists and 2 steals. So almost triple-double again. And imagine sa Serbia, yung laban nila sa Serbia is talagang gumawa siya dun ng triple-double and dito is almost triple-double. So muntika naman gumawa ng history si LeBron. So sa tanong na kailangan na ba mag-retire ni LeBron, no? Matapos makuha niya ang gold medal dito sa Paris 2024 Olympics. Disclaimer lang, I'm not a sports analyst. I'm not an expert of this, but this is my opinion. So, sarili ko lang to na opinion, no? Para sa akin, if LeBron decided na mag-retire this time, in this stage, in this moment, this is the perfect time for him na mag-retire. Because imagine, no, magre-retire siya after getting success, no? Just like tingnan natin, no, Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan is after nag-retire siya July 14, 1998. Matapos ang game 6 nila sa NBA Finals kontra sa Utah Jazz, which is kumuha siya 45 points, is ang pinakamaganda pa noon is kumuha siyang iconic shot, which the game-winning shot, no? So parang iba, no? Nag-retire siya after those success. So kagaya din ni Kobe Bryant, bago nag-retire si Kobe Bryant is gumawa din siya ng history. In his last game, no, gumawa siya ng 60 points kontra sa Utah Jazz, which is noong April 13, 2016. So kung si LeBron James, after niya makuha yung gold medal, which is his third Olympic medal, hindi basta-basta, hindi lang isa to. So 3 beses niya ginawa. 2008 sa Beijing, China, and then 2012 sa London Olympics, and this 2024 sa Paris. So this is his third time. This is the perfect time for him na mag-decide na mag-retire because wala nang dapat patunayan si LeBron James eh. Gumawa na siya ng iba't ibang record, binrake na yung iba't ibang record sa NBA. So wala na siyang dapat pa. Maybe he is not the GOAT, but he's the greatest player of the history. Yun, para sa akin, no? LeBron James, this is the best perfect time if magre-retire siya. But sa nakita ko, no, sa performance ni LeBron, sa mga highlights na nakita natin, parang malayo pa talaga, no? Parang hindi pa magre-retire si LeBron. Maybe we see LeBron playing maybe next 3 seasons in the NBA. Kung gusto pa niya, talagang tulungan yung anak niya. Kasi kita naman namin si Bronny James, kita natin na hindi pa siya masyadong ganun kagaling, kagaya ng tatay niya. So, maybe LeBron, matutulungan niya yung anak niya, no? And imagine, LeBron James is, I think, he's the only player na makakalaro yung anak niya sa Pro League NBA. Again, so kaya guys, so anong masasabi nyo? This is the perfect time ba na mag-retire si LeBron James? So comment down below and pag-uusapan natin yan. And kung gusto nyo ng mga ganitong topics, ganitong kwentuhan, sports, don't forget to like and subscribe sa ating channel. And tulungan natin yung channel natin. As of now, we have a 483 subscriber. So, tulungan natin, no? So, gagawa tayo ng mga ganitong video. So, maraming salamat. See you on the next video.